My name is Dáithí Sproule, and I'd like to tell you a little bit about the oral history project that was done for the McKiernan Library. We assembled a list of people who we knew were important to the history of traditional music and dance in the Twin Cities. Martin McHugh, of course, was fantastic. He almost told a minute by minute story of his arrival in the Twin Cities and what happened. Then the people who came after them, the Tom Dahill, had wonderful stories, and then the Northern Star Cayley Band, Ploughing the Stars people, and the dancers Jenny Bach and Sheila Jordan. It's not just a celebration of the past, it's a celebration of the fact that we have this continuity, that the things that were happening then were enriching a soil that is still very, very rich